y'all, it's your girl Maya back at it again today with another video for you guys. And I'm sorry that I'm coming on here today looking busted. I don't know if y'all have ever had this happen to y'all, but I like put makeup on or I put something on my face and it broke my eyelids out. And I'm going to Atlanta next week and I'm trying to beat my face, so yeah, I'm just taking a break from makeup right now. But today I'm super excited because I'm gonna be touring 3 apartments. Ooh, I'm really excited because when I initially moved to Houston, I didn't get to actually like tour actual apartments. I kind of just was working through everything online, and I had the dude send me pictures of our unit and stuff. So yeah, I don't know, I'm excited because I actually get to view them in person this time. Now I am working with an apartment locator. I don't know if y'all know what that is, but it'll save you a lot of time. They're free. Just look up apartment locator. They'll work within your budget, try to find you apartments within the area. Look, I don't got time to be sitting around here looking for apartments all day. Like so yeah, we're gonna view 3 apartments today, and I'm about to head to the first one. I just had to pick up my monster because girl is not a morning person. It's 9:13 in the morning. Like I won't be getting up till like 10, 11. Like, but I've been getting up early lately. But yeah, I'm really excited to go and look at these. I'm just gonna be recording on my phone because first of all, I don't even like recording in public. I feel awkward. So yeah, we about to get into it and go ahead and tour this first place. And it's actually just gonna be me. Mama's not coming with me because she's working, and you know, when it comes to apartment hunting, she trusts me with finding places. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I will talk to y'all when I'm at this first place because I don't want to be late or nothing. Okay, y'all, so I just got to the first place. Apartment locator said that she's already here, so we about to go tour this place. Also, y'all, I'm touring 3 places today. I might tour a couple places tomorrow. I know I'm at least touring 1. But yeah, whichever apartment I get, I'm not gonna put it in this video, and that'll just be a separate apartment haul or whatever. Not apartment haul, apartment tour. I'm not gonna do an apartment tour on the current place I live in because we kind of knew like very early on we weren't gonna stay there, so we didn't like decorate it. Like, it's furnished but it's not decorated. Y'all don't want to see that, so y'all can just get a tour of the next place. But yeah, I'm about to go in here and look at this first apartment.
Okay. In mid-May. It's closed on Mondays for cleaning. But the pool is gonna be opening and the hours is gonna be from 10 in the morning to 9.
It's okay, I won't put you in there. Okay. Hello. I'm trying to light. Okay, y'all, so I just finished touring that unit. I mean, I guess it was really nice. I mean, it's a brand new unit. This is a brand new complex. They've only been open for almost a year next month. So it would be a brand new unit that I'd be getting, but the rooms was just kind of small. I love the island, and I like that it's new, and I like the price, but yeah, I don't know. It was just kind of small, smaller than I thought. So yeah, but yeah, I'll definitely consider it. I gotta go over everything with Mana, but now I'm on the way to the next unit, and y'all, it's raining outside. Don't mind me. Do not mind me. But yeah, I'm headed to the next one. The apartment locator already left, so I need to bring my behind over there. Okay, so I'll see y'all there. Okay, y'all, I just got to the next place. All of it, I really recommend getting an apartment locator because they be finding the spots. Like, I wasn't seeing this on a little apartment list and what's that other website, apartments.com. Like, I wasn't seeing this stuff. Like, these are all like new units and stuff. They're really cute. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the apartment locator to get here, and then we're gonna tour this place. I'm already here. It's kind of hot. Let me turn on the air. But yeah, the first place, it was just kind of small for me. Like, my room would be smaller, and I know Mana wants a bigger room because our place high-key did us a little dirty with the room, with her room. It's not a light in there, and the closet is small. I feel like her room would be even smaller, so yeah. We gonna check this place out. I remember seeing it online. It was cute, so I'm excited.
So see, there's no balcony, but you get more living space. So it stretches out more.
Okay.
And this apartment's
Okay.
I've been working with a company for 2 years next door.
Yeah, Jennifer told me she'd be out, so.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, so I'm at the last spot. The last spot was really nice, but they just get filled up so quick. Like, I don't know if we would get that unit if we applied for it, because they said it's like a brand new complex, so pretty much the whole complex is filled up. But I'm at this last spot. I mean, I don't know. The last spot had a really nice, it had an outdoor gym, indoor gym. It was really nice. No balcony. I love the island in both of the units that I looked at. But yeah, I don't know. That one, I'm not sure. Like, the deal is really good, but if I want it, I have to apply today, and I can't guarantee that that's gonna happen. I have to go over it with Mana, but yeah, I'm just waiting to get in the gate for this next complex. My apartment locator is right in front of me. And then we're gonna look at this. We might have some tours tomorrow, but yeah.
Oh, you do a video?
Mm-hmm. Okay, nice little fireplace, balcony. I'm getting like video recognition.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I can remember.
I didn't know, I thought it's not like.
Oh.
What we're about to go to, like, what, is there something that, like, this one that's cut off from the small one? It's not so much for me to. Balcony is open now. It is, it's different. Yeah.
And really the other one, which is a bit, I mean, what's the fact that the balcony is out of the map, it's a little make it out because it's like opposite ends and everything together, but this is like kind of side by side.
And then, oh, okay, so this, what's this?
It's gonna be your water heater.
Oh, okay.
I got it right. Without opening it, yeah. It's right below your AC. Actually, that's your AC.
Y'all, look at this. It has jets in there. So I love that.
So are you gonna have a roommate here or what's the, okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. Okay.
I like the kitchen.
What were you doing before you got into this?
I had a construct new residential development.
Oh,
So
okay.
concrete, I'm like fourth generation, but then all of us kind of branches. So I did sidewalks, curb out of curb copy, which is literally out of the curb and then sidewalks, little area, parking lots. Okay. My family does like basically.
Ooh, it's real nice.
But 2 years ago, we kind of turned it over, not turned it over, but you're more hands-off once you have GMs in the right. We didn't know what we were doing. We just did it for the Super Bowl.
I don't know why my dad could get the volleyball coach.
Oh, no?
I don't know why I'm getting
I love kids. Kids is my passion.
I was like, she coaches. Something tells me she's
No, I played basketball and I mean all the sports, but college I played basketball. In March, I had opportunities on my company.
Good morning, everybody. It's day number 2 of the apartment hunt. And I'm going to tour, I'm gonna try 3 places today. So yeah, I'm about to get up and go to the first place. I'm running late, but it's only 5 minutes away, so yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. So I will meet y'all when I get to the property. Okay. Period. Okay, y'all, this is the door. And then a little washer and dryer room. Okay. Dining area. I'm sorry, y'all. I was watching the videos that I recorded and I'm breathing all extra hard. I have terrible lungs. Okay, a little desk area. Your girl got asthma. Little bookshelf. Okay. Kitchen is kind of small. This is the pantry. Let me put my stuff down. Looks kind of small. Okay. Stainless steel appliances. They got any snacks? No. Okay. Okay. And then I guess this is the living room area. Fireplace. Okay. Go over here. Ooh, I like this mirror. Okay. Ew. Y'all see this toilet with this piss stain? That is disgusting. Okay. That is so nasty. Like, who toured this apartment and decided to pee? Like, that is gross. Okay, here's the room. Looks like it has a little bookshelf. Oh, this is a decent sized closet. Okay. Let's go to the other room. Oh, this is a big door. Oh, it's double doors. Okay. Okay. What it's looking like. Closet's decent. Okay. Little double. Okay, this is like a little vanity area. And a bathtub. Okay, this spot is decent. Not too shabby. Okay, y'all, so I just finished looking at that other apartment. That one was it was I still like the ones that I saw better yesterday. So right now I'm gonna try to see if I can do a walk-in. I mean, on this website it says they accept walk-ins, so they better. But it's basically a sister property for the other property that I saw yesterday with like the white cabinets with the island. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's basically the sister property for that complex. Them people at that complex was rude, so hopefully this one is better. I know it's cheaper, so yeah, I'm gonna just go in there and ask if I can see anything. So yeah, so I just walked up to the door. They talking about they're gonna be back at 11:45 and it's 10:45, so this isn't that far from where I live. So I'm just gonna go and get like some breakfast or something because I'm hungry. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do within the time being, and then I guess I can just come back at 11:45 and see if they have anything available. I'm looking cute. Like, it's a no makeup look, but like the girl's looking cute today. Period. Okay, y'all, so I loved that apartment, bro. Like, I loved it. Like, I really think it's the one. If it's not in that video, y'all know why. Y'all know why it's not in this video. Like, I really do think that that one is the one. So yeah, I'm at this last apartment. I'm really feeling like he gonna show me something outdated. I'm talking about some white and black appliances. So yeah, we're just gonna see how this goes. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm set on the last one, to be honest. Like, I love that place. That was so bomb.